doesn't have the flowing hair that the Blizzard have. See if that gives the Blizzard the extra strength they need.
Starting in net is Loudon King. I believe the goalies are going to be splitting that task today.
Okay.
So I don't know if they're going to pull Loudon halfway through the second or.
Saw Nate doing some pinching in the corner. Apparently there was, or some, well, not pinching, sorry, some pressing in the corner. So
okay.
Last practice, apparently there was a lot of practice with the D trying to pin their man deep in the zone, and it sounded like a lot of fun there for both the forwards and the D. We got Zuev and Thiessen on the point. Bradley, McKenzie, and Wolf are the forwards. Wolf tips it out. Gets it into the zone. Brandon Drift on a change. Pinches it in. And the first shot of the game. Nice shot there from the corner. Blockered into the netting.
So the Thompson King Miners played the Northern Knights yesterday evening.
Okay.
I believe they won that contest 6-1.
Oh wow.
Right?
I did, yeah, I was wondering, I'd heard that they played, I hadn't heard the score.
Yeah. 6-1, I believe.
For the Knights? Or for them?
Thompson,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good for them. So I wonder if did they come out yesterday? Was that, or had they been out already any longer?
Yeah, that I'm not sure. They also played the Twisters this morning.
Oh, okay. Also, they might have to be a little bit tired.
They may be. I hope so.
Well, we want to get the best view of them. So.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're going to see them at provincials.
All right, Drew chasing the puck down. Hasselbacher and Stott. Kasdorf pinching in. Jobo covering the point. Stott with it in the corner now, looking for his man. Oh, right through the slot. All the way back. Zielinski picks it up. Pass it on to Stott, who just chips it in. Hard to scout a team that doesn't play in our league. I don't think they play in a league at all. Jumped in by Thiessen. The Blizzards go for a change. Wolf now battling on the boards. Zuev. Thiessen. Up to Wolf. Oh, yep. Well, we'll call it.
Just about forgot to bring the puck with them.
Yep. The refs thought he had control. Thiessen keeping it in. Throwing it at the net. And the Miners are away. Nice shot. Thiessen going in for the check, but then he seemed to lay off. Oh! Wow, big shot. Nice save by King. Right in the slot. Right in the money zone there.
Yeah. Right in the bread box.
Yeah.
There's a good chance for the King Miners. Loudon was well positioned for that one.
Losing the draw. Drew chasing it in. Laramie following up. Through with it. To Laramie. To Gunther. Laramie. Dumps it in the corner. It's kind of a fortuitous bounce there. Came right back out. Laramie back to Peyton Fraze. Oh, what a nice catch there by Drew. Great try.
Yeah, excellent redirect by Drew.
Yep.
Nearly capitalized on it.
Chloe playing some new music today. I'm not familiar with this one. Oh yeah. Okay, just a different start to the. Maybe it's the bass isn't quite thumping here in the Brokery. Heard the tinny start.
That or maybe it was the British remix
Yeah,
that we've never heard here in Canada
Probably,
yet.
yeah. Unavailable in Canada. All right, look, Jay's keeping it in, but Miners, looking for the stretch pass. At number 20, looks like he's got about 85 pounds on most of our D. Stott now after it. To number 20. Skates to the neutral zone. Dumps it around. Oh, right through the players. Zielinski's got it, looking for his man. Oh, and goes for a change. Nisselbacher just about away with it in the middle. Save there by King. See, definitely some talented skaters, and they actually play as pretty good as a team here already. The Miners. Then McKenzie's got it now, dumps it down to the neutral zone. Tristan on it. Bradley looking for a man. Okay, dumping it around. Wolf on it. Bradley. Back to his man Wolf. Wolf stopping it there along the boards. Thiessen pinching in. Oh.
Ben with the try.
Yep. Blocked there by Miner. A couple of Blizzard players go for a change. Oh, nice. Oh, Ben intercepted it there. Oh. Didn't turn into anything, unfortunately. And dump it in. Good play. And go for the change. Great. Blizzard pretty much got their full line change in the offensive zone. Gunther, nice play up to Heidi and out. Laramie on his man. One of two hometown players, Laramie and Bradley. Oh, Gunther with it up the middle. A little bit of speed. Oh, fires it high. DeVoe and Kasdorf. A big hit here. Bringing some southeastern Manitoba hospitality to the Miners. Up the boards, back in the neutral zone, and the Miners regrouping in their zone. Stott on it. Oh, Kasdorf tries to keep it in, but good effort, but bouncing puck got away from him. Stott, Nisselbacher, and Wolf now. Oh, just about kicked that one off.
Looked like Wolf had read that from a distance, but didn't quite get his stick on it.
That sling, I hear that sling is only good for a few games. Maybe you might need a time for a new one. I'm not sure.
No, that one's gonna
Well,
that one's gonna be used until it's frayed and destroyed.
3 pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, Missablocker almost away with it. Oh yeah, that's a good call by the ref. Player was offside by a few inches and he caught it no problem, right in the right spot to collect that one. Got Bradley, McKenzie, and Wolf. McKenzie in to take the draw. Wins it back, but yeah. Oh, a nice read by Bradley, and he's in. Looking for McKenzie. Oh, just wide of the net. Right in front. And the goalie aggressively jumps on and covers that puck wisely. Dylan was looking for, I don't know, what is it, goal number 35 or so already? He's,
I don't think it's quite that high, but he's had a few.
multiple games with multiple goals. Running out of hats to throw on the ice, I think.
Unfortunately, we got this mesh in the way. Keeps the hats from going on the ice.
Yes. Just wide
Although
of
it
the net.
does mess up our screen here a little.
Yeah. How's the focus? The focus staying on the players at least?
Yeah, it looks like it's not bad today, actually. Good. I'm wondering if maybe Leo Laramie.
Bit of a half a line change, I guess. Now Vandendrift is in.
You said Zuev, well, you said Twin Towers,
Yeah.
immediately followed by Fraze and Zuev.
Exactly. There's a bit of a tongue-in-cheek
Okay.
reference there. Two are smaller Blizzard players.
I wasn't sure if you were talking about the King Miners defense or
Oh, yes.
got some big boys.
Yep. Missablocker. Oh, to go from behind the
Loose
net
puck.
over to Missablocker. Up the boards. Missablocker with it still. Oh, nice pass over to Fraze. Fraze, oh, trying to toe drag the Miner, but he would have nothing to do with it. It was a breakaway. Oh. Nice goal by the Miners on that one. Not a lot of fault for King.
Oh, we need a little better back check.
Play there, yeah. Fraze really did just about had it by his man. Really read that play very well, the Thompson player. Up the boards. Oh, a nice chip past Zelensky, but Kasdorf on it now and around the wards. Wolf chasing that puck down on his man. Oh, it's all interception in the neutral zone. Here it comes Wolf. Oh! Shoot, it almost looked like he did have that far side. Oh! Back to Wolf and McKenzie. Oh, probably had a little bit more time than he thought. Winning the draw. Oh, Laramie just wide.
Nice pass.
Nice pass, yep, to Hyde. Gunther battling his man back up to the neutral zone. Oh, not quite. Didn't quite clear the zone before Gunther entered. Heidi picks it up. Laramie on it. And the Miners are back out. Really distinctive orange that Thompson's have there. See at least a couple of their players with some orange on their gloves. Oh, nice. Oh, Misselwalker he just about ran out of real estate, really. Fantastic chance. And the Miners will lose it. Looking at some players with some speed there on the Miners. Scott on it, Fraze in the corner. Misselbacher. Chabot now, chipping it out. Good play by Chabot. And the Blizzard will go for a change. Good read by Wolf, intercepting, moving in. Oh, hits his man in the shin pads. Oh, nice play by Kasdorf, knocking it off the stick. No, looks like a penalty coming. Tripping call. Didn't see
I didn't see it. I'm not even sure who it's going to.
No, I'm not sure either which team.
Oh, looks like Kasdorf. They touched him on the back. Still trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Nobody knows.
He definitely called a trip. The penalty box not open. Now McKenzie is going. Wow. Okay. Definitely didn't see that. The ref saw something we didn't, I guess. Wolf in for the draw, it looks like. Losing the draw. Oh, the ref there looks like a hometown ref blocking that pass. Unintentional, of course.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Thiessen, Zua, Bradley, and Wolf on. Boxing, trying to box out the players. Oh, nice pass across. King read it all the way. King looking composed in net. Been a couple weeks since he's played. Well, it looks like Gunther and Laramie changing it up. Still with... Oh, nice.
Excellent stick.
Oh, good drive by Gunther right in the slot on the penalty kill. Looking for a short-handed goal. Remember, I think we have one short-handed goal this year for sure.
Yeah, at the top of my head, I can only think the one from Heidi to Wolf in Kenora.
Okay, yeah. I think that was a 3-2 game, wasn't it? It was a nice close one.
Yes. Yeah.
Blizzard on top of that, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, looked like almost got on the Fraze in the back of the leg there. Not a lot of protection, I tell you, on the back of the leg. I tell you that from experience, as I still have a large bruise on my back of my leg from 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Thought you were going to tell me from back in the day when you played the sport.
No, it's not a permanent, but luckily. That's our family's man to Stott. Nice play. And Stott clearing it all the way down the ice. Heidi on his man, pressuring. And Zielinski clears it down the ice. I like how the Miners enter the zone and immediately try to create space for their power play to set up. Didn't quite work that time. Blizzard were nice and aggressive, but Stott almost getting that. Kasdorf clears it, but not out. Back to the point. Stott on him. Oh, right in the slot.
Right.
Wow.
Right on the tape.
Yeah,
And he made no mistake with that shot.
no mistake. That is a power play marker for the for Thompson.
Score is 2-0 for the King Miners.
It's like the Miners came to play.
They came a long ways, so.
Yep. No point coming all this way to lose.
Exactly.
Zubov intercepts it. Or to Thiessen. Up to Chabot. Broken up in neutral ice. Now Thiessen in with it. And he's going to follow his pass. Jump in.
Assisted by number 22, Isaac Michelle Becker, and number 21, Scott Strong.
Miners have the momentum right now.
3-0 for the King Miners. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left in the first period. They beat the Twisters this morning, I believe, something like 9-4.
Oh, wow. Hold on now. Jumping it in. McKenzie and Bradley with him.
King Miners third goal scored by number 11, Michelle Owen, assisted by number 8, Joey Hall.
Nice play by Ben. Nice back check. Oh, King stopped that one. 4 years ago when my older son played for the Blizzards, we did see Thompson once in a tournament. Thompson was definitely not this strong. And then that year, the provincials were split up between north and south, so Thompson stayed north. We never did see them at the provincials.
Okay.
John and Griff and Wolf. McKenzie all battling for it. McKenzie up with it now. Side of the net there. Looks like icing. 2:26 left in the first period. It looks like Thompson's kind of got their legs. Seem to be getting faster as the period is moving on.
Are we looking for shots?
Now it's getting quite lopsided.
Okay.
Zielinski taps it in to Kasdorf now. High to Gunther. Back to Heidi. Oh! Okay, we're back. I hope you didn't miss the goal. It was a beauty. Nice battle behind the net. Gunther ended up passing it from right behind the net. Went straight to Lucas in the slot, who put it in on the ice. Almost a posted in shot. No mistake. It was great.
Fortunately, we lost connection right when the shot was made, so hopefully people at home still got to see it. Was that a shot from the point by Thiessen?
I thought it maybe got tipped, but
okay.
Yep.
No, what? Yeah.
Yeah, Thiessen.
Keeping it in. Gunther chasing it down. Decent around his blue up to Laramie. Oh, number 7 going after Laramie. Trying to sit him down, but Laramie is a pretty solid player. Heidi on it. With Thiessen.
Thiessen's taking it for a walk.
Oh, kind of loses the handle. Just nothing but nice pass into the slot. I think the goalie read that and blocked that pass. Oh, what a giveaway there. King had to be careful of that. Oh, Chabot now gets sat down. Things are getting a little more aggressive. Good, looks like the home team's starting to wake up as well. Nothing like a goal to energize you. Fraze, Vanendrich on the point. Oh, Scott going to the box from the looks of it.
That could have been a clean hit, but unfortunately it looked like he made head contact there. I'm assuming that's what the call is going to be.
Right. Yeah, head contact for Scott. 24 seconds left. This period will go on the penalty kill.
That's his dad in the box there, making sure that it's only 2 minutes. Asking the question with sign language.
It's a penalty. 8 shots for the Blizzard. Miners coming out and out shooting the home team.
Miners are up 3-1 at the end of the first. Stott's penalty, there's 1 minute and 36 seconds left. The penalty to start the second period. Coming up in about 10-15 minutes. What is it typically time?
10 to 15 minutes. Yep.
Okay, we'll see you soon.